Hi, it's Ms. Dixon here, and we're going to talk about how to understand variables, expressions, and equations. Variables are letters that we can use in algebra to represent some unknown quantities. For example, say I want to put some money in the bank, or you want to put some money in the bank, but you haven't decided how much yet. You don't have to decide just to tell me how to express it to me. You can tell me that D is the number of dollars that you're going to put in the bank. So then D is a variable, and it represents the unknown quantity of the amount of money you put in the bank. An expression, we're going to use the variable, or we can use some numbers. And the expression is going to give me more information to represent another quantity. They have no equal signs. There's not an equal sign in an expression. There's an equal sign. It's not an expression. It's an equation. For example, say my grandma puts, or your grandma puts $100 in your bank account. You still don't know how much you're going to invest, but you do know that your grandma has $100 in there, and it's $100 more than you did. So you might express that quantity, the amount that's going to be in your bank, as D plus the $100 that your grandma invests. Another example, so you have $500 in the bank. That $500 is an expression. It expresses how much you have in the bank. So notice, expressions can use variables and numbers, or just variables. The last thing that I want to look at is an equation. An equation, you have an equal sign between two different expressions. For example, consider the two expressions that we had above, where the amount of money you and your grandma put in the bank is going to equal the amount of money that you have in the bank. Well, you had these two things are going to be equal. You put in D dollars, your grandma put in 100, and that total is going to be $500. That's two different expressions and an equal sign that makes an equation. So that should help you understand variables, expressions, and equations. Now you try some examples. Good luck.